Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And this week, I'm going to show you how to get the taste of takeout without ever leaving your home. I'm going to share with you a recipe for these spicy udon noodles that's going to have you like, it's popping. So if you want to see how I do that, keep watching and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time. First thing you're going to do is take a tablespoon of some sesame oil, add it to your pan, and this is what you're going to cook your udon noodles in. I purchased these from my local Walmart and they came in a pack and it just says to heat them with the sesame oil. So I followed the instructions on the bag. Once those are warm, you just put them to the side, and then you're going to take 2 tablespoons of some vegetable oil, allow that to heat up, and then you're going to go ahead and add your 2 cups of broccoli, followed by ½ cup of some julienne carrots, and then 1 cup of some chopped mushrooms. Next, we're going to add in our minced garlic and our ginger. So I grated some fresh ginger. This really adds some good flavor, y'all. So now I've got my cooked udon noodles just going back into the pan with my vegetables. So now that we've got all of that mixed together well and it's heated through, we're going to move on and add in 2 tablespoons of some rice vinegar and then 4 tablespoons of some teriyaki sauce. Then I'm adding some crushed red pepper. You know I like things spicy, and it really makes it taste good, y'all. Then I'm just gonna put some salt in there using my Himalayan pink salt. And then if you have fresh bean sprouts, that's best. So I put ½ cup of bean sprouts and ½ cup of cilantro, mixed all that together, and then I was done. My spicy udon noodles were poppin'. I hope you guys enjoyed this indoor takeout recipe.